section was a purple gang. Let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the wholesale block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Number 47 said to number 3, you're the cutest jailbird I ever did see. I sure would be delighted with your company. Come on into the jailhouse rock with me. Let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the wholesale block was dancing to the jailhouse rock.
Ketemu lagi. Maaf ya, lagi latihan band nih sama teman-teman. Oh ya Tribuners, gimana dengan info-info dari Tribun Lampung? Pastinya bermanfaat ya. Satu lagi nih yang lagi rame dibicarain sama pengguna Facebook. Itu loh, Facebook menambahkan menu baru, yaitu avatar diri. Menu tambahan yang bisa menggambarkan wajah kita dalam bentuk kartun lucu. Nah, penasaran kan? Mau tahu cara menggunakannya? Langsung aja yuk kita simak video infografis berikut.